Welcome to the world of Rosta. Rosta is the world's leading manufacturer of torsional rubber spring technology. Our highly engineered solutions improve efficiency and eliminate operational downtime of industrial machines. High-performance belt drives are no exception. Introducing the new and upgraded Rosta MB75 motor base series, featuring compact design with the motor plate firmly connected to the inner square of the Rosta torsional spring. One centrally located pre-tensioning device. Hold-down bolt spacing matching the motor for quick and easy retrofitting. Rosta motor bases make belt fitting very simple and take up the initial belt slack exceptionally easy, requiring only one person using one tool to do this. Through further adjustment of the pre-tensioning device, the 4 rubber cords inside the Rosta torsioning spring compress, creating the state of pre-tension. From this point, no routine manual adjustment to the belt tension is required. Rosta motor base protects the drive components through damping, assures noiseless transmission, and reduces the wear of all drive components. During its continuous operation, thanks to the pre-tension of the Rosta torsional spring, the motor base automatically compensates for the belt elongation, reduces belt slippage, increases drive's efficiency, and eliminates downtime. Smart design of Rosta MB75 motor base allows for quick and easy belt replacement, where realignment of the pulleys is no longer required. Choose Rosta self-tensioning motor base to enable higher productivity, energy and cost savings, sustainable and maintenance-free operations. For more information, visit rosta.com or contact your nearest sales office.